Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube, and I am so excited to share today's unboxing with you. This is a box that I bought online. I bought it at ShopGoodwill.com. Have you guys been over there yet to the Goodwill's online thrift store? They have so much great stuff, and I think they're catering more now to resellers. For example, if you go on their site and you put in the search bar reseller box, you're going to find a lot of stuff. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything about this box, how much I paid for it, and all that details so you know what we're getting into, and then I'm going to unbox it for you. I've also been known to want to try on some of my favorite pieces of the inventory, so there may be a try-on portion as well. You're newer to me in this channel, you're definitely going to want to hit that subscribe button and turn on the little bell so you get notifications when I have a new video that comes out, like a live video. I go live on the channel every Friday at 5 p.m. Pacific, and it's so fun and a great way to make reseller friends and network and that kind of stuff. Okay, here are the details of this specific box. This total box was $214, and that included shipping, handling, and tax. If you go on ShopGoodwill.com, here's a tip: watch out for shipping costs. They sometimes charge a lot. I have other videos on the channel. I'll pop a picture up of the thumbnail that looks like this, where I actually kind of teach you the best ways and give you all the tips for how to shop at the online Goodwill. So I'll probably throw some tips in here, but most of them are in that other video. This was 33 new with tags items. The thing that was amazing, the reason I splurged and spent $216, is that they're all size XL and 1X. For resell online, XL and 1X is exactly what I'm looking for. Another thing about shopping at the online Goodwill is they do not give you a ton of information. I saw like one picture of the lot, and I had to just do my best and make a buying decision based on that, but it's worth it. I already unboxed the first half of this. This is part 2, so the other video looks like this if you want to see that one, and I definitely did a fun try on in that one. So let's get into this box and see what I got. Ooh, this is nice. This is Ann Taylor, size XL, retailed for $49.50. Ooh, this is super cute. It's a tank top with kind of like a ruffle flutter at the neckline, black and white stripes. Ooh, I might try that piece on. That is pretty cute. I like the print on there. I see something yellow, so I'm gonna pull out yellow. Here we go. This is Banana Republic, size XL, retailed for $54.99. This would be such a good Christmas gift, right, friends? A yellow cardigan with a white trim, super lightweight. That's really cute. So I do intend to sell all these things online for profit on eBay and Poshmark. It's a part-time job for me, and I share all about it on this channel. I also have another full-time job as a psychotherapist, and I have another channel called The Grateful Therapist, and on that channel I talk all about mental health, things like anxiety, grief, negative thinking. So head on over there and we can chat about those important issues over there. This is really nice. This is Cable and Gauge, gosh, how do you pronounce? Gauge? I don't know. Size XL, retailed for 60 bucks. This is like the perfect sweater. It's a beautiful red wine color, very lightweight, and it's long. It's kind of like in my face is what it kind of is. Moving right along, what is this pretty thing with so much lace? Wow. This is very romantic. It not only has ruffles, it has tiers of lace ruffles as well. I don't know this brand. Maybe it's boutique, you guys. JALOUX. Anyone know anything about it? If you do, help us out in the comments. I've never seen this tag. Kind of out of season on that baby, but guess what? Before we know it, the next season will be here. This feels amazing. Ooh, Banana Republic silk, $98. XL Banana Republic silk, and it's a gorgeous light pink blouse. This would be a great career blouse. I obviously need to steam this baby up, but that's really pretty. Nice long career piece. Oh, I think this might be silk too. or I'm tricked. It's probably polyester and it feels like silk. This is Anna, size 1X, or Anna, $47 is the original price on this one. I love this too. Isn't that a pretty color? It's like a silky kind of pop over top with some front pockets and some roll tab sleeves. That is really nice. $6.48 approximately for each of these items. What's this one? Oh, another Banana Republic. I really like these kind of like mall brands like Banana Republic, J. Crew, Ann Taylor, Loft, Talbot's, brands people know and love and feel comfortable with. Those sell well, those kind of bread and butter. Size XL. What? This is interesting. Oh no, the tag is here. Okay, so it's another like lightweight high-low sweater. And I like how it's got this like white accent trim. And then look at the high-low hem on that. And it's another kind of long tunic length. I love those sweaters personally, you guys. Did you see one of my most recent videos where I go thrift shopping with mom in the biggest Goodwill? The thumbnail looks like this, so find that video. We had so much fun. Do you have like a thrifting buddy or someone you can reliably go thrifting with and it just works out? For me, that's always been my mom. We just get so excited over everything. We help each other see if we think things are gonna fit or if they're in great condition or not. It's just really fun. And in those videos, I actually take you into the thrift store, so you get to see what my thrift stores here in California look like. I really like those types of videos. Do you guys? This is Candy's, size XL, not a crazy great brand or anything. I sold at Kohl's for 58 bucks, but this is awesome. It's like a black lace dress. Let me see if I stand up if you guys can see it better. Like, it has a scoop neck. Ooh, look at that. It's just all lace. And my guess is because of the neckline, it would be like an off the shoulder. My mom might love this, but I don't know if it would fit. This is really cute. I really like this piece. Not like a great brand, but that might sell on style alone. Hold on, I have to do the awkward reach into this giant wholesale box and get another pile of clothes. Excuse me. Oh God, I love my job. I love being with the clothes. Okay, New Options Petite Extra Large. Not familiar with that brand, but this is a cardigan. Kind of a geometric print cardigan. Nice lightweight cardi. Anyone know anything about No Options? $54. To me, that looks like a Macy's tag, so it might be one of their brands. I don't know. That's what I think. Moving right along with my haul. This is unusual. I think this is vintage. Oh my God, it must be. Cricket Lane collection. Look at that tag, people. Does that not scream like vintage polyester shirt? So this must be like new old stock, they call it. Nature's Touch. $44. Look at this tag. This is crazy. It's a button-down shirt with shoulder pads. I'm not joking. Shoulder pads, and look at the point on this collar. I don't even know what date this would be. Is this like 80s? And I think this is like a snakeskin print. I don't know about that. I'm not a huge vintage seller. I just don't know exactly what people are shopping for in vintage. I know 80s and 90s vintage with high-waisted mom jeans and stuff, super popular right now, but I don't do a ton of vintage. This is cool. Fantasia. Okay, here's the tag. Western blouse, 79 bucks. I think this is boutique too. Oh my God, this is kind of amusing. What it's like, it says American Cowgirl. It's super silky. It's got this beautiful cowgirl on it, American flag. It feels like really like slinky spandex, you know? And it's like, it's either a dress or a tunic. That's interesting. Someone will probably love that. Studio One, New York, size XL. New with tags, $60 tag on there. And it's a dress. This is cute. Another like spandexy type dress. And just like a shift. Let's see. It's like, it's got a 3/4 sleeve. And just kind of like a pullover dress. That would be great for work or casual. That stuff feels so good too, doesn't it? That spandex. I could use some spandex. Let's see. Ooh, this looks nice. Wow. This looks like a nice piece. Leota. It has a 145. Oh, it's Soma. Wait, I'm confused. This tag says Soma, Catherine long sleeve black size XL, $145. I have sold this brand Soma before, and it is pricey. They do a lot of like sleepwear, but then the tag on the dress says Leota. So I might have to figure this out. Is that the right tag? Leota, oh, Leota's the name of the dress. Leota Catherine long sleeve black. What is this about? This is cute though. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's a black dress with a knotted front, kind of a midi length, and look at the pleats in the back. This is gorgeous, and it feels really good. A little bit like for an occasion. Unfortunately, right now, in 2020, going into 2021, due to COVID, I'm not selling many dresses, you guys. Are you? All my gorgeous dresses that I usually sell so well in the spring and summer, no. Not selling. So sad. Here's another sweater, so that's good. Apartment 9 from Kohl's for $50. See how style works. Look at this. It's like a cowl neck sweater. Kind of a pink and gray. And then look at the lace. It has lace panels here, so that's kind of a cute detail. That looks nice. Grab some more clothes. All right, let's see what this is. Ooh, really nice. Ooh, this is great. J. Crew size XL. J. Crew is selling so well for me. I think I kind of slept on that brand for a while, and I thought, you know, there's so much J. Crew already listed on eBay and Poshmark. I don't know if I want to compete, but turns out, you know what? Doesn't matter. People know and love the brand, and it sells so well. Size XL, J. Crew, originally $69.50. Look at this. I think it's a skirt. Is it a skirt? I think it is. Elastic waist skirt. Well, look at the ruffles in the back and the print. Those are orchids. That is so cute. This will probably not sell until like the spring or something maybe, but look at that. I love that. I bet that looks great on. Really fantastic. And this is the last one. And what is this? Soho Jeans Company. $36.95 on the tag. This is part of New York & Company. And this is really nice too. Let's see. It's kind of like an off-the-shoulder top. I love this olive green. When I have something like this, I'll put like military, army green, olive green. I think this is like an off... Ooh, this probably looks awesome on you guys. See how it's like almost like a wrap in the front and off the shoulder and like silky spandexy tee? That is nice. If you ever find anything in my haul you want, my store and closet name is linked below, and you can always just message me. What do you think of this wholesale lot from Shop Goodwill Online? Have you used them before, and what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Make sure you subscribe and like the video on your way out, and I'll see you next time, friends. Bye!